Hi, welcome to my channel Tech Easy Learning. Today we are going to see a topic in Snowflake, that is partitioning and traditional data warehouses. See, first we have to see about the traditional data warehouse. Partition means what? Dividing the table into multiple chunks, and each partition is independent of each other. Here in diagram you can see that non-partition table is where data is stored all together, whereas in partition table it is divided as part 1 and part 2. So the part 1 data and part 2 data are stored separately. Partition is a unit of management that is manipulated independently. Whenever the table grows, it becomes a large table, we will partition the table. It is called static partitioning of the large tables. What is the main benefit of partitioning the table is it will help us to improve the performance. Our query will be executed very faster. Okay. It enables the better scaling, and we can either increase or decrease it. That is called scaling, enables better scaling. Here in partitioning, we are having some disadvantages. The disadvantages are overhead. Overhead means some extra expenses we may incur by just adding some more storage space like that. So it may require extra overheads. Data skewness is nothing but storing data in ununiform format. That means it won't be non-uniform, we can say. Non-uniform format. It is not in the proper uniform way. So whenever the data skewness comes, I think you know about the data skewness. You might have studied all these things in the Oracle itself. So data skewness comes, we need to go for this repartitioning. Repartitioning means whenever the table grows, after some time, our performance of the query may go down. Why means because of this table growth and some unused space will left over there. We need to reclaim all the things. So a lot of things, reorganizing the table should be required. Likewise, here repartitioning. While do the repartitioning, our performance will improve. The query will run very fast like that. So we need to do the repartitioning work. These are all the limitations. Even though it has got some advantages, the partitioning of the data warehouses, it has got some disadvantages also. So this is about the partitioning in traditional data warehouses. If it is in the case of the Snowflake, we are going to do with the help of the micro partitions. I will explain you what is micro partitions in the coming video. Thanks. Bye.